So today we're here for introducing the wiring of the DEVIreg Incontrol, and we'll do that in a versus setting versus our old DEVIreg 233. So I've brought in John from Sales Denmark, one of our experts here internally and one of the most experienced guys. Without saying too much, we've removed one of the terminals, so the grounding terminal, out of the thermostat. And John, so if you were to replace this or to wire up the new DEVIreg Incontrol, a radiator system, for instance, electric panel system, or you even have a floor system where you'd like to add a room sensor. You previously didn't have that choice on our DEVIreg 233, but now you do on the DEVIreg Incontrol. So if you take the DEVIreg Incontrol and explain a little about our wiring here on the new one.
Yeah, but mainly you still have the same as with the old one. You have the supply coming in here and here. But you also have the main load where you're adding either the heating cable or the panels or whatever it is. And then you have options for the sensor choice here. If it's panels, it will often be room sensor. And for this you use these two terminals here. If it's for floor heating, you will use the other two. I think it's quite explanatory how to use it. So, what is left out is the option for connecting the ground here. That should be done separately.
Yeah.